Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Blue Pearl Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. And on the URL, type in Blue Pearl Employee Login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now on your interface, you will get to see multiple search results. Among them, head over to the first link that says bluepearlwait.com. So click on the first link. That will take you to this page. Now, in order to log in, and there you have to select your area. So select your area by clicking on this drop down menu. Again, scroll down a bit and there you will see a login form. So first of all, enter your valid username. After you do that, under the password text field, enter your correct password. If you need any help signing in, whether you forgot your username or password, click on this link provided that says username help or password help, and that will help you to recover your username or your password. Now, if you are done typing in your username and your password, click on this secure login button, and on the next page, you will be logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into Blue Pearl employee account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.